Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you a new module in Moodle that will scan files that you've uploaded to your Moodle site and let you know if they are accessible. And accessibility is something that is really important for us for all of our materials, for all our course materials, because many of our students use screen readers and other types of technology to help them with our materials. And we want to make sure that they are able to do that. So I'm going to show you a quick example. So this is a Moodle site from one of my past courses from the past couple of years. And the module you can see, so these are our modules along the right side here. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, this is called File Scan Summary. So this is the new module that's been turned on for all of us now. And you can see it has a really quick scan of all the files from my course. And so it's showing 23 files, showing 2 are fully accessible, 19 are partially accessible, and 2 are inaccessible. And if I'd like to get some more details about that, I can click on View File Details, and it opens up this chart that shows us some more information about each of these files. And so it looks at these different categories: status, text, title, language, and outline. We are most concerned with this text layer. So what this is talking about is, does your PDF, does your file have a text layer? And there needs to be a text layer in order for screen readers to be able to see it. Otherwise, if it's an image, it can't read that. So sometimes when we scan PDF or scan documents on a copy machine, it makes an image of it rather than text. So this is what we were looking for. So we can go down this column and you can see these all have text layers. Here's one that does not have a text layer. So this is a file that I need to go back and look at. And here's another one. So these are the main 2 files that I would need to check for my course to make them accessible. And so I'm going to show you really quickly how we might be able to do that. Ideally, the title is also accessible, and we can add titles that can be read, but we're really, for this first step, looking at text. So I'm going to show you this, this file. The way I can go back and make that accessible, one, is that I could look on the internet and see if I can find through the web a digital copy of this. I think this is one that I may have scanned. If there's not a digital copy, then I can do it through a program that we have that will enable me to convert it. And this is called RoboBraille. Convert a file. So I sent an email with this link in it. You can find this link on the Moodle page. So here's a file. I can choose to upload, and here's that file, Sage file, and upload this. And then it'll ask me for the format. So I can get this actually in a variety of formats. If I wanted an audio file, for example, and have the document read, I can get it in audio file. I would like an accessibility conversion. So I want to keep the same file format. So I'm going to keep it PDF. And then I enter my email and submit that. And then the file will be emailed to me in an accessible format that I can then re-upload to Moodle. So I actually did this in my Moodle site. So this file right here, you can see, is from RoboBraille and is that Sage environmental food PDF. And now you can see the text layer, a text layer does exist. So that was an easy way for me to translate the inaccessible file into an accessible file. And so this is a tool that we are able to use now to really look at all of our different files. If you use the RoboBraille and it's not accessible, or you're having trouble and have more complicated files, Gabby is available to help you with a number of other tools that may need some additional steps. But hopefully this is a way to get you started and will provide some help to you and your students.